Hi folks, I'm Tony Fritz out here at Leonard Truck and Trailer, standing in front of a fresh trade, ultra low hour New Holland L218. This L218 has a 6-foot bucket on board. This skid steer has under 100 hours. That's right, you heard me right, it's under 100 hours on this skid steer. The New Holland is known for their long wheelbase. This long wheelbase makes it a much more stable and more comfortable ride. They are also known for their super boom vertical lift linkage, which is this assembly here. What this does, this allows you to dump out quite a bit farther, get that load into the center of a dump truck or a dump trailer. It also allows for much better visibility from the cab. So you'll notice you can see all the way around when you are in the operator's seat. This New Holland has a 60 horsepower Yanmar engine on board. Like I said, under 100 hours. You won't find one cleaner out there in the market. You can look at this thing and just tell it has not even scratched the surface on what this machine can do. I'll tell you what, folks, if you're in need of a small skid steer, this one weighs under 6,000 pounds as an operating weight. You can haul this easily on any one of our 10,000 pound skid steer trailers. Get on out here to Leonard Truck and Trailer and get this one before it's gone.